Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix iOS 26 beta not showing up on iPhone. So, if you want to use iOS 26 beta on your iPhone and you go to your iPhone settings, search for software update and you discover that the update is still stuck to iOS 18.5, then let me show you how to fix the iOS 26 beta not showing on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the developer app on your iPhone. So, just search through until you get the developer app. Click on it. You can also search for the developer app on your iPhone. Locate and click on account on the navigation. Once you selected account, then you should sign into your Apple account or iCloud account. Then come to where you say Apple Developer Program. Then click on enroll. So once you click on enroll, now you'll be prompted to enroll on becoming a beta or developer beta on Apple. But you can also click on the link beneath and then click on start your enrollment. So go ahead and sign in. Once you sign into the developer beta account, go back to developer again. And then under account, locate and click on enroll now. Once you click on that, you can now go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once open, scroll down, click on general. Click on software update. Now, under software update, you should see a new feature that says beta update, and your beta update will set to off by default. Click on it. Then go ahead and click on iOS 26 developer beta. At this point, you are now a developer. You can now text all iOS updates that is in beta state, hit the bar button, then refresh. Then you should have access to the iOS 26 beta. And then you can now go ahead and click on update now. Then type in your iPhone passcode and follow the prompt. So you need to wait until the total file size is downloaded, which is 11.8 gigabytes in my own case. So yours might be more than that or below. So that's it. So that's basically how to fix iOS 26 beta not showing on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.